Welcome to our comprehensive review of the TOZO Golden X1 wireless earbuds. Watch the complete video for an in-depth review of the product. The TOZO Golden X1 features a dynamic driver system with a 12mm high-amplitude dynamic driver, delivering powerful bass at 12 Hz and harmonized treble and bass for the ultimate sound experience. Equipped with a balanced armature driver, the TOZO Golden X1 reproduces high-frequency sounds up to 44.1 kHz. Experience 3-layer hybrid active noise cancellation, cutting out ambient noises like aircraft and trains, creating a quiet environment for an immersive listening experience. Switch to transparency mode to hear surrounding sounds without removing your earbuds, allowing for clear communication and awareness of your environment. With an IPX6 waterproof rating, the TOZO Golden X1 is protected from sweat and raindrops, ensuring durability and reliability even in challenging weather conditions. The LED breathing light and smart LED digital screen keep you informed about battery levels, while the sleek design adds a touch of style to your listening experience. Never miss a beat with fast charging. Enjoy wireless charging and USB-C fast charging capabilities, ensuring that your TOZO Golden X1 earbuds are always ready to go whenever you are. Customize your sound experience with earprint technology, creating exclusive sound effects tailored to your unique ear shape and hearing preferences. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends to spread the word, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon.